At the Inland Empire Law Group, one of our areas of practice is medical malpractice. A medical malpractice is a claim that's brought against a doctor or physician or a medical provider as a result of their negligence. These are often very, very difficult cases, and they require quite a bit of money to prosecute against the doctor or the hospital or the nurse. So you need to make sure you have a really good case before you decide to bring it. Let me give you an example of a case that we actually had to take all the way to trial. I had a lady who had been going to her doctor for years and years. She actually never was seen by the doctor himself, but was always seen by the physician's assistant. She had the same consistent complaints over and over and over, had complaints of stomach pain. The doctor gave her various medications and things of that nature, but never really tried to find out why the stomach pain kept reoccurring. Well, after a few years, some other things occurred, and she went in to have additional treatment or additional examinations, and she found out that she had stomach cancer. By this time, by the time that she found out about it, it was too late. The cancer had already penetrated her stomach and had spread through her body. We brought that lawsuit for a failure to diagnose claim. Before we even got to trial, she had passed away from the cancer, and so we had to bring the case as a wrongful death case on behalf of her husband. It was a very, very difficult case and very sad, and it was fought all the way to the end. Even though one would think, gee, that's a pretty simple case to do, the doctor didn't want to settle the case. And so you have to find a lawyer who's ready, willing, and prepared and financially capable of bringing your case all the way to trial if necessary. The doctors have a lot of control over whether a case settles, and you can't just expect your case to settle because you brought it. You have to be prepared to fight all the way. Medical malpractice cases involve three things: proving the doctor was negligent, that he or she fell below the standard of care, proving that that negligence caused the injury to you, and proving the amount of the injury, such as such as in our death case, that the death was caused from the failure to diagnose. We had to prove all those three things, and a jury then had to come back and give us an award in favor of our client. So if you have a medical malpractice case, think about those three things: negligence, causation, and damages. And if you believe you have a case, give a medical malpractice attorney a call and have him or her review it before you decide to move forward.